Do you like this? Well, just in a matter of minutes, you can actually replicate this customization and style on your Windows computer system. Welcome to this channel. Let's get straight to it. First of all, we're going to hide these icons on the desktop. Right click on here, go on to view and select show desktop icons. We're going to add some transparency effect on here. Proceed to Microsoft Store, click on that. Now you want to type TranslucentTB. There you have it. Click on that. Proceed to install it. Wait for it. Now installation is complete. Go on to open. Click on that. Now I'm going to minimize this. And right here, select continue. And here we're going to X on this. As we can see, we have this transparent taskbar. But this is not what we want. Proceed right here. Click on this icon. And as we can see right here, we have this TB, which is the icon for the TranslucentTB. Right click on it and go on to desktop. And here you want to select acrylic. Beautiful. Now we have this translucent taskbar. Now we'll proceed to the next one. Go to the browser. And first of all, we have this beautiful image. I'll be leaving all required links in the description. Okay. To download this wallpaper, navigate to this icon right here. Click on this download icon. So now head on to the file location. Just click on this icon. And here's the wallpaper we just downloaded. Just highlight on it. Right click on it and select set as desktop background. And when you minimize this, now as we can see, we have this beautiful wallpaper, and obviously we're not done yet. We're going to proceed to the next one right here. Go back to the browser. Now quickly we're going to download Rainmeter. We're going to click on this icon right here. Click on that. Now once that's done, we'll proceed to this .exe file. Just click on that and we're going to minimize this. Go on to OK. Select next. Install it. And finish. So by default, after installing Rainmeter, you're going to get these skins. Now I'm going to remove everything here. Right click on it. Go on to unload skin. Do the same right here. Right click on it. Unload skin. Right click. Unload skin. Right click. Unload skin. So now we have Rainmeter installed. The next thing we're going to do right now is to install Rainmeter skins. We head on back to the browser. And the first skin we're going to use right here is Jaxcore. Okay. Now on this website, github.com, on the right side here, I'm going to scroll down, proceed to latest, click on latest. I'm going to scroll down here, click on this first one right here. So here we have it. Click on that. I'm going to minimize this and install it. Click on get started. Continue. Just ignore these options. Select continue. Click on continue. Now it's all set. Click on proceed. Below here, you're going to select I'll get M later. Click on that. So here's the main interface for the Jaxcore. Proceed to library. Click on that. We're going to be adding widget onto this desktop. The first one I'm going to choose right here is going to be modular players. Okay. Proceed to modular players. Click on it. Navigate to this download icon. Click on that. Now we have modular players installed. Proceed to the left side here. Toggle this on to activate it. Now we'll proceed down here to general. Click on general. So here we have many options for these players, and of all these options, I'm going to choose this one. Just click on that. I'm going to drag this down right here to the side. I'm going to make some changes to it. Obviously it's too big. I'm going to go right here to the left side. Go to style options. The first thing we're going to do is to change it from 1. I'm going to change this to 0.7. Tap on enter. Beautiful. So now it's smaller and better. Okay, I'm going to drag it down here a bit. For the blur variant, make sure it's on acrylic, and for the rounding, we're going to set these to standard. Click on standard. Now we have these curves at the edges right here, which is looking good. We're not done yet. We're going to the next one. Proceed to this home icon on the top left. Click on that. Now if you're getting this, just select this no show me the patch notes. I'm going to get rid of this by clicking on this white dot right here. Navigate down here to library. Now this time I'm going to select modular clocks. Proceed to the download icon, then click on it. Close this. I'm going to activate it by going right here to enable this. Just click on that. By default, you're going to get this clock. We're going to move it to the right side here. Proceed to general. And if you scroll down a bit, here we have all the options for the modular clocks. Okay, of all these options, I'm just going to click on this one. We're going to make some changes. Go on to style options. Now under widget size, we're going to change widget size to 0.8. Okay, tap on enter. Now it's smaller and better. We continue here under the clock font. We're going to leave it the way it is. For this arc color, this is the arc right here. We're going to change it. We're going to type in 0, 0, 0. Tap on enter. Okay, now we have this black color. Now we're going to change this text color as well. Down here on the right side, I'm going to change this code to 245, 98, 98. Tap on enter. Beautiful. Now if I minimize this, you can see that this matches well with what we have going on the left side here. So I'm just going to adjust it a bit. It's looking good, but we're not done yet. Proceed to the browser. And this last one right here is Fountain of Colors in deviantart.com. Now the first thing I'll let you know, guys, before you can download anything from here, you need to create an account. It's fast and easy. All you have to do is to create an account, and it's absolutely free. Okay, I already have an account. I'm just going to click on this download icon right here. Click on that. Straight up, click on the setup. Minimize this. Install it. Okay, so here we have this visualizer. As I speak, you can see some movement going on right here. So I advise you play some music while going through this customization, so you can actually see the changes and you can see the movement of this visualizer. So I'm using my voice right here. I'm just going to bring this down here and I'm going to make some changes. I'm going to drag this down a bit. First of all, go on to general. Under this visualizer height, I'm going to drag it back to 99. Okay, go on to visualizer, click on that. We're going to set this bar width to, I'm going to set it to 4px. For the bar gap, we're going to set it to 3px. And as you can see, it's smaller and it's looking much better. I'm going to drag it right here. For the bar count, we're going to adjust this to 42. Sensitivity, put it to 52. And for the smoothing level, we're going to set it to 8. Alright, because we want this color to match with what we have going on here, we'll go on to styling. In styling, you have the option of either clicking on any of these colors to change it easily, or click on more. And now we're going to type in this value 245, and on the G we're going to type in 98, and here we're going to type in 98 as well. Now click on OK. So as we can see, we have just the same color as it is up here, and it's looking pretty cool. We're going to take this a step further. Go right here and expand this, and go on to this Rainmeter icon. Click on this icon. As we can see in the Rainmeter settings, we have Fountain of Colors, which is the visualizer. I'm going to expand this. I'm going to expand this first clone, expand it. Then I'm going to select clone.ini, select it, and click on load. At the top left here, you can see the clone, which is a replica of what we have here. I'm going to drag it down and I'm going to put it right above. What we're going to do right now is just to put it down as close as possible, right above the other one. It's okay, so put it as close. I'm going to pull this one up a bit, pull this one right above it. So now we're done with this Rainmeter settings. I'm just going to close this. Just in case you want to access the settings of this visualizer, all you have to do is to just click on it and this setting will pop out. Once you're done with that, you can proceed to close it. Just click on that. Now, as for the Jaxcore, if you want to make any changes, you just right click on the widget and select configure in core. And the setting is just going to pop out. Same goes to the modular player, okay? And just in case you don't want any of this anymore, all you have to do is to uninstall Rainmeter and uninstall TranslucentTB as you would uninstall any app from your computer. If you're interested in this custom cursor, previously I made a video about this. You can check it out and learn how to get and install your custom cursors. So that's going to be all for now, guys. I hope you find value in this video. Well, if you did, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day. Peace out.